All right, it's Friday night, 8 o'clock. I'm out here working on the 6.9 GTO. As you can see, I've been sanding on it a lot. So I did a video a while back about sanding blocks, black diamond sanding blocks. Here they are. I ran into a small problem with these. They have these rods in there, kind of keep them stiffer. But when you start sanding, you see that? They fall right out. If you're sanding on a vertical surface, like the door, corner, whatever, it becomes a real pain in the ass. I probably should have used them a little bit before I made a real video with analysis about them. I do like, they are very comfortable. Great for ergonomics. They are a little heavy. So if you use them all day, you're going to feel it. So for me, that becomes a problem. You don't want to fight your tools when you're using them. I did make the maker aware of these, Dean, and I think he's working on a solution. I'm half tempted to try to sand on these to scuff them up or something. I don't know. Maybe let them sit outside, see if they get rusty. Maybe it'll stick better. But you don't want to have to do that when you pay $165 or however it was. They were kind of expensive for two. I still like the concept. I think it's a great concept. I did find some spots so that in the door here that my new blocks found that these did not. And you can see right here, they're almost a little bit too flexible. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure the surface. So we're about, I don't know, there is 70 thou. Something like that. It's between 70 and 80. My battery's going dead on the thing here. This block here, quite a bit more, 175. That's flashing because my battery's going dead. So what I did after this, I broke down, I bought some of these. These are linear blocking tools. A lot of you know what these are already, probably own them. If you don't, it's linear blocking tools. I didn't go right to these because I felt they're a little expensive for what you get. I mean, it's a piece of, it's kind of just plastic. But I will say, this is the blocks I use when I found these, see these light spots breaking through the VP 2050 here. There's a dark spot there. That's DP90 under there. So as you can see, I've been trying to go panel to panel on this car. Even the brand new quarter panels, I got to put filler in them. And that's sad. These are that's your aftermarket parts for you. But again, I thought these were too expensive, but they do a good job. I'll be honest, makes your body work really show. Makes it easier to find your lows and highs and that. I kind of like them. I think I'm going to finish the rest of the car using these. There's still spots where I'll use probably this little guy. So I bought a flex and an ultra flex. Ultra flex is a little too flexible, but that's the thing. I wasn't sure which one to get. With these, I can change them. The idea is you can change them, make them stiffer, looser, however you want to say it. With these, if you buy a whole set of these, you're going to spend a lot of money. I mean, I think you can buy kits that are $600 or something. But if it makes your job easier, your body work better, it's hard to place a value on that, I guess. You can justify it, I'll say. So that's my findings. These are a lot lighter. I will say when I was using these all day, it's right there. See where my thumb is grabbing it? My thumb got pretty sore. I mean, it was almost to the point where it was blistering. That's the only complaint I have as far as that goes, but I don't know how I get around it. No rods to fall out, lightweight. Your arms aren't going to fall off when you use them all day. So Of course, there's a Durablocks. I got all kinds of little blocks and doodads for these. But yeah, car's coming along. Got a nice gap between door and quarter, panel fitting, fiber tech in there. Again, I gotta fill the quarter. Deck lids fitting better. I put it on, it fit good when the car was on a rotisserie. Took and mounted the body on the frame, and all of a sudden the deck lid didn't fit as good anymore. So I had to do some work, had to cut this, bring it down, all kinds of stuff, get this gaps right on this. So car's coming along. It's in VP 2050. Did the front fenders last weekend in primer. So we're going to start body work on them. Jennifer owns this car. She got in and sanded the backside, and I sprayed it. She gets her little fingers in there, and as much as she can, she comes out and helps. She masks it off because the bottom's all finished on this car. Floor's painted. While we had it on the rotisserie, painted it. Frame's all powder coated. It's beautiful under there. So we're being very careful about not overspraying the bottom. But yeah, that's where we're at on it. So I'll give you another update soon. Okay.